Hey guys, this is Jennifer back with TheWookie Natural, and this video is a different type of video. I am going to show you what I did to my floors in my house. This was a project that I had taken on last year, and I just filmed some footage on it, and I thought you guys would want to see it, so here it goes. The first thing I did was sand our floors, and you can go to Home Depot for a sander. It's the square kind, not the round kind. And then you get a sanding sheet or a sanding roll that you fit onto the sander. You can go past it twice to sand. You use a rough grit and then you use a fine grit. I will probably do another video where I am actually going to do my other room, so you'll see more in detail for that. Then once the floor is sanded, you sweep and clean it really well so you don't have any dust. And then you come in with the stain. So I used stain that's similar to the color of the floors that I had on there previously, so I can make it look right. So I did 2 coats of the stain to get it the nice dark color, and then I followed up with a high gloss polyurethane. Altogether, the project cost about $200 to $300, believe it or not. I needed to rent the sander, which cost the most money, which is $150. You must deposit for the sander, but to rent it is only like $40 for 4 hours. So I was able to do this in 4 hours. Actually, my husband sanded, and then I came in and I did the stain work and the poly work after that. So that's the video, you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this content, and if you want to see more of this, let me know in the comments below. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can receive more great videos from me. And as always, stay Wookie and stay safe.